Hi guys, it's Dylan here from Goral, and today we're in the stunning Peak District village of Stony Middleton, and we're seeing William Lennon as we're bringing out something special, so come and follow me. The Lennons have been making boots in this quaint village for generations. It was actually first recorded in 1797 at Pineview, a small cottage off High Street. We're now inside the William Lennon factory, and you can smell the history in here. I can't wait to take a further look. Something that has caught my eye as I've walked in is this handrail here. I wonder how many thumbs over the years have touched that. So we're not actually getting the full process of the boot today, but we will be following Dan in the soling process. So we'll be seeing all the sole come on, hammer in on the brass wire machine. So let's go and have a look. So Dan, firstly, what is a brass wire machine and why do you use it?
That is brass wire, that's a threaded wire.
Right.
So it's a constant screw. 120 years ago, this was the strongest way to fasten the sole on a pair of working boots.
Right, okay.
That's why.
Right.
Don't make stuff like they used to.
No, yeah.
Basically, it's, as long as you keep it reasonably clean and dolloped in oil, it's, fingers crossed, it's all right.
Right.
And occasionally we have to get bits made,
so are you, this is a question you might not be able to take, but is that then with the vision that this will still be working in another 100 years?
Theoretically, because we've got a bunch of spare parts. Yeah.
It's amazing, 100 years, wow.
Yes.
Very loud.
Yes.
I don't know how you do that all the time.
Earplugs.
Oh, right. Yeah. Why I was so fascinated by it is just because of the sheer power.
Just mind your fingers, it's very sharp.
I will. It was the power, and what I look. In fact, my favourite bit of it all is just the tap of the foot, bang.
Yes, yeah.
Why? So do they go straight through into the?
Yes. So you've got leather sole.
Yeah.
Then you've got the folded over upper.
Right.
Then you've got the leather insole, and it goes right through the lot. And like I say, it's for a work boot, it was super strong.
Yeah.
You can literally wear that boot until you can feel the pavement beneath your toes.
So is it? No, William Lennon though. Boots was it for people in the army?
No, for big quarry in mining, lead mining area.
In and around here.
Yeah.
Right.
So there'd be loads of blokes.
And their boots would have been in a lifetime, wouldn't it?
Well, depending on how hard they were working.
Well,
yeah, but yes, yeah, because they're repairable as well.
Yeah.
So, because that brass wire is sharp and unfinished.
Yeah.
This machine's going to put the shape back in the boot.
Yeah.
And level off the
excess of the sharpness. Right, got you.
Yeah, so
how much are they having?
Yeah, they are. Yeah. That's them.
Oh yeah. Good job, I'm a strong lad. Yeah. That just shows you how strong the soles are on these boots. I mean, look at him whacking them. It's full pelt whacking that. So, no wonder they're built to last. Element, very therapeutic. I feel like he's listening to a very therapeutic tune as well.
Right, so that's roughly trimmed to shape now. These particular ones are having a day-night stud sole on.
Right.
So we've got to now fit that.
I've only been in it in 10 minutes and my ears are ringing. Are you part of the family? Or?
Yeah, lives with our cousins. Yeah.
Right, okay.
Yes.
So is it, I read up there's a little thing about Stony Middleton. Is it 4 generations or is that slightly, is it
Yeah, we're fourth generation.
Fourth generation.
Wow.
Wow.
Yeah, we're great granddad.
Wow.
Yeah.
So you were brought up making shoes, basically.
Basically. Yeah.
Old, still and proper.
Did you get put off by the smell of glue?
No.
I love anything, any smells.
You've come accustomed to it by now, or?
I think you do, yeah. Tell you, only when you go on holiday and come back after a week, that's when you notice it.
Yeah. There is something about, an old works, like I said earlier, you can sort of smell the history in it, can't you, in a way?
Yes, yeah.
Feel it. I love all the shards and nails at the bottom of there. It must be years and years worth.
Yes, yeah. Oh, there's cobwebs in here older than me.
Yeah. I know what machine that is. It's the Goral. It's just a bit more of a simpler, smaller version, basically.
Flash heater.
Yeah. So what temperature would that get to?
I don't know.
Oh. Basically, you wouldn't want to put your hand in it.
No, you won't. No. Sometimes in winter it's tempting.
What's that pressure doing on there then?
I'm just squeezing that sole on.
Right. Okay.
Right, just need to stick some nails in that to fasten it on. Not tight under there.
This isn't an on and off thing.
It used to run off the line shaft up there.
Right.
With a big old flywheel at the back. You'd stick it under there, get it spinning and press that pedal. Massive old bang, drive the nails in. But it bust two teeth off the gear wheel at the back.
Right.
Yeah. So, never going to get a new one of them. So you just need to trim that down now.
Right.
And then that's nigh on finished.
Lovely. So is that a thing to say this is because this is brass wire, or because in my head that this can be on camera, off camera, that should be covered up, but you'd think it would be covered up. Is it kept open just to show, look at the quality and look at the brass wire we've used? Or?
No, it's because they didn't really care, because you were making a strong pair of boots. What it looked like,
yeah, it didn't matter. Yeah.
Didn't really matter.
No. Yeah.
That is a feature of them.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I think it's quite cool. So
back in the day, that they wouldn't have worried about what it looked like.
Yeah.
But now, like I say, it is a thing.
Yeah.
And that's it, just about finished.
Beautiful. Look at that, and that's a day and night sole on it. She said
Day-night stud sole.
Day-night stud sole. Beautiful. Look at that. Top quality craftsmanship. My sort of question I've got, mine ending with, is what does it mean to you, especially as you're part of the family, to still be making boots in 2025?
It's a bit deep for me now.
Or or you as a family, or
Yeah, no, we're glad to be doing it. Yeah, it's keep the tradition going and all that. Yeah.
very proud.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's a B5 World War I infantry boot.
What they wore in the trenches. There we have it. Goral and William Lennon coming soon. You can even get your hands on a pair of these. So I've just really enjoyed my time there, talking to Dan, about the processes and the history of William Lennon. You get a real sense of, how proud they are to still make boots, and there's not many people still making things in England. So to have this in this little small village in the Peak District, it's amazing. And you know, they're only a small team, but the quality of the product they make. I mean, this is our second collaboration that they're doing with Goral, and the quality is there to be seen. What I love, my biggest thing I've loved about that today, about a William Lennon boot, is when they've got the sole on, they still leave a little bit there. It's like that's like their trademark. You know, that's how you know that's a William Lennon boot. You know, they're keeping this. You still see the nails and stuff like that. So there we have it, the B5 military boot with William Lennon and Goral, coming out soon.